Hello all. As you all know by now, I am Aradhana. I do tarot and angel card reading and guidance. I also am a numerologist, graphologist and access bar healer. I specialize in family constellations too. Please like, subscribe this channel for more such videos. Also, follow Vibra to Live on Facebook and Instagram. I post daily and weekly readings, special ones for zodiac cusps too. Let's start with the reading. Today, we shall seek answers and guidance for colleagues. Okay, so as I shuffle my cards, let's find out. Well, universe has actually started giving a lot of messages. The cards are just flowing out. So yeah, let's see. Let's find out what's more in store for the colleagues. Okay, well, I think this month is quite interesting for you, darlings. That's the reason universe is actually, the cards are just falling. So yeah, let's find out what those cards are. One card actually had turned around, okay, in this entire it's like, the cards were there and then there was a card that had already flipped. Okay, so quite strong messages. I love when they, okay, there are some cards that have fallen up, so I'm just taking those cards because those cards are equally important. And let's see what more messages can we have. Okay, interesting. How better can it get than this? Okay, I think the message is quite clear. So I'll just have these cards placed on one side, and let's have some angelic guidance as well, because we need to know what the angels also have to tell us. We need to follow guidance as well. So let's see. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some guidance for this entire month for the colleagues. Let's see what's in store for you, darlings. Darlings, you honestly have good ones. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, perfect. I don't think so I should be taking more cards because you've got all amazing cards. Yeah, okay. So I'll place the angel cards on one side, and let's see what the tarot has in store for you, darlings. And let's begin with your read. Okay, so the good news. You can expect some good news coming up, so I'm very happy for you. There will be some celebration moment that is coming, so maybe the hard work that you have put in as a team, okay, is gonna get some success. So yes, there is going to be a celebration. Also, it means that if there is any project that you are planning to go ahead in this entire month period, advisable have the best team. Okay, so probably a team effort, or how you have people from the best of the best in every department, or something on a teamwork is what is being, it's just ringing the vibe I'm catching up. So yes, a teamwork will definitely bring in success, so please go for it in that entire bargain. Okay, in that entire teamwork, what is advisable is you need to shrug off that laziness. Okay, it's like your colleague or your alliance or your co-worker, a person whom you hand over the responsibility on, or maybe it could be even you. Sometimes we kind of get lazy and then we are like, okay, it's the last minute, so I will handle it, or I can do it. Advisable, don't wait for the last minute. Okay, just finish it off at the earliest, so that you have that ample amount of time where you can work on some other projects, or you can definitely try having a follow-up, or you have that amount of time where you can work up also, because universe is actually giving you some good benefits also, good things are coming your way. So why not have the best of it? So that's one thing. Now you're going to evolve the teamwork, the relationship with your people, or with the project that you're handling is, yes, it's gonna come up on a up. Okay, so yes, whatever hard work you had put in the last month or the coming days, or currently that you're working on, universe is saying that yes, darling, it is the correct time. You're going to reap those benefits. So don't worry, the hard work or the stress level that you've been through, don't worry, the burdens, okay, the responsibilities and the work pressure and everything that you had been working, don't worry, now it's the time that you're going to reap the benefits. So I'm happy for you. Say yes, enjoy. Maybe that could be one of the celebration point as well. You will be starting with a new journey. So whatever you will be venturing into or a new project that you're going into, you are going to have success. But always try to have, like as I said some time back, avoid laziness. Have, when you save that amount of time, you can actually go back on your documentation, on your process, on a brainstorming session, and you can find out what more else creatively you can put in. Maybe that will bring in success. Okay, success is guaranteed, but if you want to reap more good benefits, then yes, try doing the brainstorming sessions, because you will have all good things. You need to have a clarity, darlings. What happens is, because there will be a teamwork, everybody will be having their own different thoughts of putting it across, and also maybe you might not agree also, or it's like you agree and you disagree at the same time. So what universe is trying to say, try to have a balance. Okay, you need to be very clear with what you want. If you're clear with your goal, then obviously the clarity comes in. But if you're confused, then definitely the confusion will start in. Okay, so you need to bring a clarity. And if during an argument or during a discussion, let's put it that way, if there is any confusion, darling, just step out, because the best way is you just walk out from that space, just feel good and come back, because there are a lot of chaos that is happening and you just aren't sure what is happening. Okay, so that is one thing. Secondly, try avoiding, if there is one project you're handling, then if you could be trying to find a balance with the second project also. So avoid juggling between two things. Have a clarity as what the priority is between 2 or 3 projects, and accordingly you can designate and get works done, because that will bring success. It's just a mental block that you might go through, but it's a mental block you can easily overcome, and I have given the guidance, rather universe has said, so just follow that. And yes, don't try to rush into finishing your goals and all, which obviously people do tend to, but don't pressurize your people, especially the male. If you have a lot of male colleagues around you, then avoid pressurizing them, because everybody has their own pros and cons and the plus and the minuses and all. So probably they could be dealing with some emotional issues, okay, amongst the colleagues also. So that could be something bothering, and that could affect the work space also. So advisable, you have a discussion with them, try to find out on emotional front, or just give them that space that they can handle it, because anyways you're going to have success. Okay, so the more you push it, maybe it might just backfire, or it might just how the work is happening smoothly, it might just have a rough patch or some argument or some misunderstanding. All these things could just delay everything, and we don't want that. Okay, so this is especially for my male people. My feminine energies, you don't have to worry, rather just be it's like have a transparency is what is advisable. And yes, if you want to start up something, then yes, probably it's like the work experience that you have carried over a time and all, now you're going to go on a road to success. It's like if you might even begin up with some new project which will bring success, a lot of positivity, a lot of good hope, a lot of success, a lot of abundance. So everything good is gonna happen. I'm very, very happy for you. Provided just try to have a tab on not being careless, because sometimes we tend to get careless, or it's like we kind of we don't see that barrier or any obstacle that is coming our way. So don't be that carefree also, and don't be that careless also. Okay, so try to find a balance. Now let's see what the angels are saying, and they are even saying that if there is anything that with the colleague you have you should have a heart to heart discussion, have a have a clear communication. That is very much important during the work space. Secondly, you don't have to worry, you are on the correct path, so just keep going. It is a steady progress. You might feel it's quite slow, but angels are saying, darlings, it is a steady progress, just keep walking. Okay, and definitely they are saying a team will definitely lead to a success, so try to have a team for your success. Okay, don't be like, I will handle it all by myself and all, nothing as such. If you have a team, then yes, you can, the road to success will be easier for you, let's put it that way. Start manifesting whatever you want to desire. So if you are desiring to have success in your business, please manifest that, and angels are there to support you. So whatever you desire, finance flow, prosperity, abundance, sometimes fame, name, anything, you want all a good harmony in the atmosphere that you're working, or some project you're dreaming of, or some documentation, anything, like whatever it is, manifest. Angels are there to assist you. And always notice the signs, because there are ways, through emails you will get some sign, regarding how things should go about, or one of the colleagues might just happen to tell you, or just crack some idea saying, why don't we do this way, or let's try doing this way. So these are the signs that angels are trying to put it across to you through someone, so that should help you. Even a text message, as I always say, should help you. Watch for recurring numbers. Google it, it's easy, as angelic numbers, and whatever number, like 555 or sometimes 888 or 000. So there are these meanings, so best way, Google it, so you will find what the answer is. And yes, the workspace that you have in, please let fresh air move in. Okay, so you can have some small mini plants, because that definitely, a small bamboo plant, they say, that brings in for success or money flow, so you can have that. If you need to see that the tables that you're working in, that entire space is cleansed up, dirt usually keeps coming in and all, but that's okay, but try to keep it as much clear as possible. Space out a few things. If you are a cleanliness freak and everything is in space, not a problem, but then you can rearrange. Okay, keep the doors and windows open, maybe that is required, or you can change the direction also, so you can see which direction you're actually facing currently, and you can just shift a little, maybe that can also help. So that is also important. So basically everything is good, just minor changes needs to be taken care of, and you will definitely have success. And yes, always last but not the least, because I just happened to see what the angels are saying. They're saying is, learn to forgive people. Okay, so in the entire bargain, or in the entire month, if there's something that is troubling you, or you didn't like it, and if somebody has said a sorry, please forgive that person, and please forgive yourself also. That's very, very important. Okay, maybe that is something that you could be holding on to, and you're not releasing it, so these could be the blocks. Okay, so that's all, and yeah, you will have a lot of good things coming up, darling. So now I will show you your cards, what the universe actually said. So I will show you just a few of the cards. As I always say, all my cards are lovely. So release whatever that does not belong, or which is not required, because those are the barriers for your success. Okay, so whatever it is, just release those baggages, and universe is saying, darlings, you're gonna go on a success route. So I'm very happy about it. So these are your tarot cards. Okay, and now let's see how the angel cards look. By now you guys are aware, yeah. So okay, so these are your angel cards. Hope this resonates well with most of you. Do comment or DM me on my FB or Instagram pages to connect for further assistance. May the universe always shower abundance on you, and the angels always have your back. Keep watching, keep loving.